Mr. Humble Hippie here. Something Dead series. Look the other way, turn the video off. Alright, here we go. So you can see that this clearing here is man-made, possibly for water flow easement off this main drag here, and also they make big clearings like this to drag down trees. However, with that being said, in this big clearing right here is actually drag marks and fresh marking where you can basically see the ground and you can see the layer of humus has been moved, and that suggests from a tracking point of view that you can tell something has recently walked through or moved through here. You can see how high these are, right? And then you can see the actual ground right here. In order for you to see the ground right here, that's basically not possible. You see all the trillions of different leaves? The only way you can see that ground right there is if something walked through here and did that. That was my first noticeability. It took me a few milliseconds to walk this far and notice how clear this was. And as I was staring at this clearing, and again, by the way, repeat this every time, be aware, you are a victim anytime in the woods, anywhere there's a predator or something. Pay attention when you are staring at the ground. What is behind you? Because I assure you, all life forms are born with it in their brain, in their DNA, to protect themselves and be aware of other animals and life forms. And yet, all day long, something is actually not protecting themselves and ends up being part of the food chain. This was obviously a deer of some sort. Remember, do not become a victim to the predators. There are bears and mountain lions out here. And if you ever see one, that'll probably be the very last thought that you have. Because a mountain lion will run up through these woods and up this mountain that you can't really tell the vertical. I couldn't walk through this in 10 minutes, but a mountain lion or a bear can run right through this in a millisecond, right up this mountain, and they will get you so quick. And a mountain lion will easily eat a human and drag a human off and up the tree, by the way. So anytime, always look up in the trees, because that's where they're hanging out. And that right there is no man's land, as is everything around me. So be warned, be safe, make noise when you're in the woods.